This is Mungo Darkmatter, and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters, we're going to discuss how to use the YouTube online video editor. Now, there are a few reasons you may want to use the online editor. One is you don't have any other editor to use. Two, you want to upload your video and then make a couple of quick edits on it after it's online. Or three, you've uploaded a video directly from your iPhone or iPad or smartphone or other device, and you want to just kind of clean up the beginning and the end, because a lot of times when you film a video, the very beginning and the very end may have a little bit of stuff you don't want on it. Alright, so first we need to get to the video editor, and there are a few ways to get to it, but we're going to go through the video manager. So I'm going to go up here to the top right and click on the Video Manager button here. And this video right here, it's just named Video 53. There's a little lock here. It's private. I said to private because it's a demo 1, 2. I'm going to edit it. It hasn't been edited. You can do a similar thing if you want. Like if you wanted to upload a video and you didn't want people to see it until you edited it, you could make it private and then change it back to public later. Alright, so I'm going to click here to edit. And this is just a screen you've probably seen before if you've uploaded videos, where the description is if you want to go back and change the description. We're going to click here on this enhancement tab up at the top. And this is the original tool to kind of edit videos online or fix them online. There's a thing to trim the video, but it's much easier to trim it using the video editor than this enhancements function. And you can also kind of stabilize the video, like if your video was shaky and you wanted to try to fix it so it didn't look so shaky, you could hit this stabilize button and it would try to compensate for that. But we're going to go down here to the lower right and click on this link to try out the video editor, the YouTube video editor. And it brings up the editor right here. Now this works like pretty much every other video editor. Right down here is a spot where you drop the videos that you want to put into the timeline. So I'm going to take video 53, which is our demo video, and put it down there. Now, we could actually take another video and drag it next to it. And in fact, we could do that with multiple videos if we wanted to take multiple video clips and splice them into one. So that's another nice thing. You could upload multiple videos and splice them together using this. But we don't want to do that now, so let's just remove the second video there and concentrate on the one that we want to edit. Now, you see right down here, there's a little magnifying glass and a slider bar. This slider bar is used to adjust the time span or the timeline. So it actually adjusts the increments of time. So the farther you move it over to the right, the smaller the increment of time and the longer the line. And that's supposed to make it easier to edit and cut. So at the very beginning of this video, there's kind of a false start here, and I restart. So what I want to do is actually right about at 3 seconds is where I want to cut it off. And so what you can do is you play the video up here and see where you want to cut it off. When I put my cursor over this timeline here, you see this blue bar at the top appears. If I left click on it, these two end brackets appear, and that allows me to cut off part of the beginning or part of the ending. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the left side, and you can see over here it says time 5:14.2. I want to cut off 3 seconds off of it, so I want it to be like 5:11.2 approximately. So I'm going to pull this slowly Yeah, it's 511.3. That's probably close enough. And then if we play the video here,
I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and welcome to Darkmatter.
So that starts at where we want to start it. Now, this other bracket at the end here, we move all the way down here to the end.
View on this tablet later, once I try it out. Technology.
Alright.
You enjoy technology.
And so that's right a little bit before there is where I want it to end.
And this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.
Alright, so say I want to end it there, and that is just a little before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to just bring it over slightly. I'm going to slowly move it. Yeah, so I want to do right about there. And let's put the cursor back up at the front there.
And I'll do a review online on it. I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.
So I got to cut right where I want it to be. So now I've got my video edited. And I cut off the beginning and the end. So we figured out how to do that. Now what you got to do is you got to go up here where it says project. And we're going to put, we're going to just call it edited video. And we're going to have to publish it now. So if we click on publish, it will take it a while to publish it. Once the video is published, it will automatically become a public video. So if you don't want it to become a public video, you need to go back into the settings of the video and set it to private until you're ready to publish it publicly, if you want to publish it publicly. Anyway, that's the way you edit a YouTube video using the YouTube video editor online, and how you can trim the beginning and the end of a video off. I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.